warning for northwestern Waubonsee County, eastern Pottawatomie County in northeastern Kansas, south central Nemaha County in northeastern Kansas, southwestern Jackson County in northeastern Kansas, until 6:45 p.m. At 5:56 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 5 miles west of Emmett, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and half-dollar-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Wamego, Onega, St. George, Bellevue, Emmett, Louisville, Soldier, and Havenville. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 9 p.m. for northeastern and east central Kansas. The National Weather Service in Topeka